Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my summer Walmart beauty box. If you would like to see what I got, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little red button down below so you can be part of my familia de bellezas. And for those of you who don't know what the Walmart beauty box is, the Walmart beauty box is a seasonal subscription box for only $5. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below if you would like to subscribe. Now let's see what I got. The first thing I got is this soft soap. And I have used this soft soap before, and I'm not really a huge fan of the soft soap for the body, only because I feel like for me personally it does dry my skin a bit since my skin is kind of dry. Next is this Jergens Natural Glow, and I actually do use these are the wet ones, and I really like this one. I feel like it hydrates my skin pretty good. This one is for fair to medium skin tones. Yeah, this is the one I've used before, and it smells really good. I really do like these a lot because I feel like they do hydrate my skin pretty well. Next is this Sway Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. I really do like the Sway skin masks. I feel like they hydrate my face really good. I do like these a lot. Next is this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I've actually never used these before. They're actually pretty new. So let me see how this is. Oh, actually, you know what? I can't open it because if I open it, then it's gonna kind of dry out. So I'm just gonna open it until I'm ready to use it. I'll be letting you guys know if I've been liking it or not. Okay, and the last thing I got is this Garnier Whole Blends Conditioner and Shampoo Sample. I actually have used these before and I do like them, but I've never used the gentle one, so I'm actually excited to try this one out. And that was everything I received in my summer beauty subscription. I felt like last season we got a lot better things. I'm not too crazy about this season's box. And that was everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye. Besitos. Mwah.